Hi guys, so are you ready for the ultimate crunchy, savory and addictive side dish? Today we are making a classic East Asian staple that's perfect with rice or as a snack. Our crispy anchovies dry fish with soya sauce. This recipe is so simple but the flavor is next level. We are transforming humble dried anchovies into incredible little jewels, crispy, salty and then coated in a magical sauce that's the perfect balance of sweet and umami. It's crunchy, it's flavor packed and it adds that amazing texture boost in any meal. So grab your dried anchovies and let's get cooking. If you're new on this channel then please hit that subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of the new uploads. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first in a hot pan, add oil, add 100 grams dry anchovies and fry it until the dry fish is nice and golden brown and crispy. As you can see that the dry fish is nice and crispy now. When ready, simply remove it in a separate plate. Then in the same pan add 4 garlic cloves sliced, 2 green chilies chopped and fried for few seconds. Then add 2 onions sliced and fried until the onion is nice and soft. Then add 1 tablespoon dark soya sauce, half tablespoon lime juice, add crispy fried anchovies, 1 tablespoon brown sugar and fry it for about 4 to 5 minutes. Until the sugar is nicely melted and caramelized. Then add some salt to taste and give it a final mix and cook it for about 2 minutes. So the crispy anchovies dry fish with soya sauce is ready. And there you have it guys, your perfect batch of crispy anchovies dry fish with soya sauce is ready. Just listen to that satisfying crunch and look at that beautiful glossy coating. We are transforming a simple dried fish into an irresistible flavor-packed snack or a side dish that is salty, sweet and unbelievably addictive. I truly hope you enjoyed learning how to make this popular dish. It's fantastic over rice, sprinkled over soup or just eaten straight. Give it a try and let me know in the comments below how it turned out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.